In this video, we will see how to get dark mode in Facebook. Finally, Facebook update their function and easily get dark mode in Facebook. Here you can see this is my Facebook dark mode. When you open Facebook account, this is your simple Facebook. You can easily convert your Facebook into dark mode. It is very helpful to eyes and other. You can easily change your Facebook into dark mode by following some simple step. Just click on profile icon, scroll down this page. Here you can see different setting, but scroll down and click on setting and privacy. Scroll down this page. Here you can see dark mode. Just click on dark mode, turn on. You can easily convert your Facebook into dark mode. If you not get this function, update your Facebook app and easily get your dark mode in Facebook by following some simple step. You can easily turn on, turn off easily dark mode in Facebook. If you like this video, share a video with friend. In this channel you can learn many tips and tricks video about social media, Facebook, Snapchat. Also check the video description for more videos.